hard dog Banjo. And over here we've got the little poodle keeping the jump lights down for Pine Rivers in the red lane. Awesome. Got their anchor dog on the Bonnie on the track now in the black lane. Bonnie's from Logan. He very cautiously takes the jumps. Very rarely ever misses one. So he puts a lot of study into making sure she gets them jumps right. There's Aaron.
Okay, guys. Come across the back and over there. And all you have to do.
Alright, Stuart at the back of the ring, got the bloody... Oh, sorry. No, that's all right. Got the bloody gavel. Oh, went to the left. Went to the left because the breakout team's in the right. Alright? Okay. And just to explain that, the team racing in the right-hand lane has broken out of their division. Which means they've run faster than their seat time, their breakout time, that they were racing under this weekend. Oh, how close was that? Sue's missed the start by 1/1000th of a second. The Australian Global Association has badges for 000 starts, and Sue's missed it by 1,000th of a second. And just to explain that, the time for the teams start when the dog's nose hits the start line. Sorry, when the green light comes on, not when the dog's nose hits the line. So the handlers trying to get the dogs on the line as the green light comes on to save time for the team. Awesome in the black lane got the best of the start that time by about 1/10 of a second. And Awesome with a bit of a lead at the moment. Here comes Bonnie, very carefully taking the jumps. We got the Labrador over here. Goes overtake Bonnie. Oh, what a finish! How close was that? Oh, with Judge has got a finger out. What happened? Oh, they won it 2 on time. So that's all right. Let's go. By about 1/10 of a second.
Dave, you have to
That's
be
pretty
in the
close.
middle of the lane to let him go.
Alright, they're about to jump third heat, the best of 5. They're all away, we've got a clean start. Awesome got the best of it by about 1/2 Awesome starting to stretch their legs a little. And here we go. We got the anchor dog on its way for Pine Rivers, and the anchor dog for Pine Rivers. He's going to clean up big time, man. And it's a win to the left because the team from Pine Rivers has broken out of their division. So put your hands together for Awesome Pine Rivers, Awesome take